I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
Flicker happens when shutter speed conflicts with lighting frequency, and the effect becomes visible on camera sensors. LEDs using pulse width modulation can create banding that appears as moving lines. Rolling shutter sensors and variable frame rates tend to worsen those flicker artifacts across the image. Artificial lights and monitors operate at mains frequencies like 50 Hz or 60 Hz, which interact with camera exposure. Slow shutter speeds and auto exposure make flicker more likely during recording. Match shutter speed to the local lighting frequency. For example, set 1/50 with 50 Hz lights. Use a fixed frame rate and disable auto exposure while recording to keep exposure steady. Prefer shutter speeds that are multiples of the main cycle to reduce interference patterns. Increase ISO only when necessary and avoid extremely slow shutter speeds that capture light flicker. When possible, use continuous lighting without PWM or choose bulbs rated as flicker-free. Use flicker-free drivers and constant current LED drivers whenever possible to eliminate PWM flicker at the source. When footage is shot already, apply temporal deflicker in editing software first, then add spatial smoothing if artifacts remain. Reshoot using continuous tungsten or daylight bulbs to avoid PWM entirely when feasible. If reshoot is impossible, convert frame rates or use frame interpolation cautiously to reduce visible banding. Always test lighting with your camera before beginning a critical recording session.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.